everyone! Welcome back to Ailenna Crafts. Today, we're gonna make a super cute mini paper refrigerator. You can download the free printable template from the description below. If you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's carefully cut out all the printed pieces. Take your time and cut along the lines. Great! All the pieces are cut out and ready to go. Now let's build the refrigerator body. You'll need pieces 1, 2, 3, and 6. Fold each piece just like I'm doing. First, glue the 2-piece number 3 parts together. Next, glue them onto piece number 1, just like this. Glue piece number 6 into an oval first, then shape it into a rectangle by gently pressing the 4 corners. Finally, carefully attach it to piece number 2. Now that both parts are ready, apply glue to the tabs I'm pointing to. Then, carefully join the 2 pieces together. Next, let's make the refrigerator drawer. You'll need pieces 10 and 11. Fold them just like this, then glue them together. Take your time and follow along carefully. You're doing great! Carefully cut a small hole in the front of the drawer. This will be the handle. Time for a quick test! Slide the drawer into the refrigerator and see how smoothly it works! Next, let's make the shelves! Fold and glue piece number 12 just like this. When you're done, you'll have 2 shelves ready to use. Glue the 2 shelves inside the refrigerator. You can use white glue or clear tape. Make sure they're firmly attached so they can hold your mini items. Now, let's make the refrigerator door handle. First, carefully cut 2 small slits in piece number 7, just like this. Next, fold piece number 5 into thirds to make a long, sturdy strip. Gently bend it into a C shape, then insert both ends through the slits you just made. Finally, secure the handle on the back with a piece of clear tape. Next, cut another piece of paper the same size as the door, then glue it over the inside of the door to cover the back of the handle and give it a neat, clean finish. Now, take the piece we just finished along with piece number 9, piece number 15, and another piece number 2. We'll use them to complete the refrigerator door. Now, fold piece number 9 and carefully glue it onto piece number 2, just like I'm showing you. Carefully fold and glue the 2 piece number 15 parts together. Then attach them to the piece we just finished, just like this. Finally, glue piece number 7 into place. And that's it! Your refrigerator door is finished! Next, let's make the door shelf. Grab 1 piece 13 and 2 pieces 14. Fold each piece, then carefully glue them together just like I'm doing. For the top shelf, fold and glue piece 8 into a box shape, just like I'm showing you. Finally, glue both shelves onto the refrigerator door. Place the curved shelf at the bottom and glue the rectangular shelf near the top, wherever you like. To attach the door, use 2 pieces F4. Fold each piece in half. Then carefully glue them between the door and the refrigerator body. Once the glue is dry, your adorable mini paper refrigerator is all done! Awesome work! Wait a second, we still need to make some tiny milk cartons for our refrigerator. Fold and glue them together just like this. Then use a pair of tweezers to hold the top closed until the glue is completely dry. And there you go! Your cute little milk cartons are ready to go into the refrigerator. Yay! We did it! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ailenna Crafts for more fun paper crafts. Thanks for crafting with me, and now let's play!